Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video we are going to see about clustering. So we will see what is mean by clustering in brief today. So clustering basically means grouping the object together. So as you can see in the figure, there are three different types of object. So if you want to classify the object or if we want to divide the object into different groups, we have to group all this in a different group. So this is known as clustering. So we have to form three different clusters to divide this object into three different groups, because these three different objects belong to a different category. These three are of different categories, so we have to group them into three different groups. So clustering means dividing the object into different groups. So there are different types of clustering algorithms in machine learning. So the most popular clustering algorithms are, first is the K-means clustering algorithm. K-means clustering algorithm is the widely used clustering algorithm in machine learning, whereas the next is the hierarchical clustering algorithm. These two are the mostly widely used machine learning clustering algorithms in the coding purpose. Widely K-means is used for clustering but also hierarchical. So what is these algorithms we will see in brief in the further videos. So in the clustering there are two important things. First is the value of K and second is the initial cluster. So what is the value of K? So the value of K is in how many cluster you want to divide the object. So in the figure here we are dividing the object into three clusters. So for this the value of K will be 3. Similarly, initial clusters means which object value you want to take as the initial cluster. For this example, if I want to take this as the initial clusters, then we have to divide all the object around this object. So for classifying the object into the group, we have to know which is the initial cluster. So these are the two important things whenever we are classifying the object into the group or into the clusters. So these are the two important things we should know whenever we are classifying the object into the clusters. And these are the two widely used clustering algorithms. So I hope everyone is clear with the idea of the clustering and which are the algorithms. So for more videos on machine learning, stay towards the channel, and in the upcoming videos we will be discussing the clustering algorithms of K-means and the hierarchical. Thank you everyone.